Hey traders, this is Scott Barkley. Hey, I just finished a great new video. As you know, I put short little videos up there to help you on your journey, and this one's especially great. But my goal is to turn your pains into gains. After all, I wrote the book, The Empowered Forex Trader, Turning Pains into Gains. So I'm going to get out of here and we'll get right into the video. Hey traders, this is Forex Frustration number 7, lack of support and membership. So information is available everywhere, but high quality Forex support and mentorship is rare. Most traders who become successful, which means they know what they're doing, are concentrating on their own account. Even mentors who trade live are focused on their account and just hope some of you catch some of the crumbs they're leaving behind. Only these traders who have a gift, love of teaching, and helping other people attain their goals can really help other traders. In other words, mentoring is not a job to them, it's a lifestyle. They're fulfilling their own life's purpose by helping others. A great example is a teacher who makes little money their whole life, but measure their success by their students' accomplishments. The Christian Bible says it like this, Philippians 2:4, let each of you look not only to his own interest, but also to the interest of others. Hebrews 13:16, do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. And financial mentors take this one to heart, Deuteronomy 8:18, but remember, the Lord your God, for it is he who gives you the ability to produce wealth. Making money for the sake of money is a bad goal. Making money to buy a new house, buy a new car, take nicer vacations, retire to a better place, help people in poor lands have fresh water, etc., etc. All of these are good goals, but making money just to make money is a poor goal and it's not sustainable. Andrew Menaker said it this way, being motivated by money, whether by profits or to avoid losses, is not enough of a motivation to improve your performance. You also need motivation for self-development. The desire to improve, sometimes I refer to it as the growth mindset, is what I see with traders who do improve. So the growth mindset, it's all about setting your goals, envisioning that outcome, and then finding the right path that will get you there. The school of hard knocks is the path that most traders choose, usually because they're undercapitalized or unwilling to adhere to a mentor's tutelage. This means they opt to educate themselves using the myriad of information that is now at our fingertips via the internet. But can you trust the information you get from the internet, a DVD, an ebook, and Google? No. In fact, absolutely no. Because there is big money to be made in the Forex, not just in trading, but in marketing trading, scammers abound. The time factor. Trial and error always takes longer as a trader sifts through the myriad of theories on how to tame the market. Reading books. Don't forget, I'm an author of The Empowered Forex Trader, Turning Pains into Gains, so I'm not dishing myself, but binging videos, checking into a forum allows you to learn about trading, but rarely how to trade. The longer a trader uses this methodology, the more likely they are to blow up their account. You see, novice traders want to trade to immediately make money. They don't understand the complexity of the market, what moves the market, and how to capitalize on that opportunity. And the longer they try to get it on their own, the more frustrating it becomes and the more money is flushed down the drain. Traders need a reliable source to fast track the learning curve without sacrificing the quality of what they need to learn. Trading is not easy, but anyone with average intelligence can learn it. Why? There is no rocket science. Bankers who are manipulating the market are doing very simple things. The problem is they do a lot of simple things, and each of these must be learned. Traders who exchange the time factor in lieu of investment by bouncing from system to system, guru to guru, trying to get a handle on it, typically fail. If the same amount of time had been invested in a quality system with proven results, they would already be seeing success. Instead, they're still searching and looking for the Holy Grail. Why? Well, it only takes 100 hours to be world class in anything. Just Google it. How to become 100 hours in how to become world class in 100 hours. You're going to get the information. So here's the hitch. A quality mentor spent tens of thousands of dollars learning their craft and invested thousands of hours in honing that skill. They can't then give their time away since mentors only have the same amount of time that the trader has, and they value their time. If they concentrate on their own trading, they can't devote the quality time to their students. You either trade or you teach, but you can't do either one justice if you try and do both. But a mentor's expensive, so is time wasted. If a mentor cuts your learning curve from 2 years to 6 months, would their fee be worth it? If I can't pony up the dollars for a mentor, are there other solutions? Yes. A quality program will have multiple ways to learn it right at different price points. A beginner's course, an intermediate course, and a mentorship program, all expounding on the same methodology, should be available to the trader. Yes, but aren't you going against what you said earlier, that you would only learn about trading, not how to trade? Yes. And that is why the critical piece is access to the mentor in a live trading environment. You must be able to get your questions asked. You must see trading in real time. That group must have a plan that teaches the trader how the market works, what to study to learn how the market works, and the trader will see the success of traders who've gone before them, and they'll see that also in real time. So if you were to visit a live room and see the following, would that be a place you might want to be? Note, these are real traders with third-party validation in our live room. Rob, look how many trades, all right? Look at all those trades. Look at K down here, 2,882 pips. And that's not for the month, folks. That's one trade, all right? Over here, K again, got lucky on this one, she says. Yeah, right. 5,482 pips, all right? Thomas down here, 436 pips. Again, not weekly or monthly, one trade, all right? Here's Daniel down here. Look at two different trades with hundreds of pips. All right, Thomas, 1,362 for the night. Rob, 239 for the night. All right, Thomas again, 114, 103, 91, 59, 20. K again, 748 pips. Wow. This is called proof of concept. Are you getting these types of results? And how can everyday traders just like me knock down that many pips? Is there a secret? Yes. And we work on that secret every day live in our room. Actually, it is a series of secrets that are known to all knowledgeable professional traders, not novice and retail traders. All right? Retail traders without a mentor or a system built on what the market does are in for a very long, frustrating road trying to unlock those secrets on your own. Okay, so if you're interested, you can come sit in our live room for 14 days free. You will know in a few sessions whether this might be your new home. There is no cost and there's no commitment. Imagine learning how the market moves and how to capitalize on that. Learning how to make monster pip captures like the ones I showed you earlier. Knowing the exact steps you must take to get to full-time trading. Having over 200 videos and courses designed for your current level of education and experience. A live mentor who can not only answer your trading questions, but show it to you live and explain it in everyday terms. Yeah, but can I trust you guys? Well, we've been in business since 2004. We have award-winning software. We have award-winning methodology. Many of our traders are still with us since 2004. You can't be a scammer if you have that. And by the way, you'll be able to talk to them directly if you show up in the room. We have free courses and no-cost entry-level and intermediate courses. We have self-directed courses for a fee, and we have a solid mentorship program designed for the serious trader who is tired of not getting any traction in their trading. Do you want to go pro? We have a live call 4 days a week in the New York session and a weekly private Outlook class on Monday nights to just get ready for the week. A full-time support staff to help with software and our other fabulous Forex tools that are available nowhere else. So, all of this from an established Forex company whose corporate DNA is helping traders to a whole new level of trading. Why don't you join?